What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is just some guidance on what to be doing right now in this market, this up and down market that we're in, guys. So stick with me on this one. And if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on a journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, another day is in the books and the market was spooked on today beginning this morning, and as a result on the day I am down 1.8%, which is equivalent of almost $3,000, guys. Okay, it showed a little strength though. It didn't go down to the 145 level. It still held around 149, 150, and as we are speaking in the time of the recording of this video, we're sitting at 151,000. Okay, so again, not all is bad, but another day down in the market, which means that is another potential opportunity for stocks to be on sale. Listen, guys, today I want to talk to you about the play that we need to replace AT&T with. Okay, and so guys, let's take a look at it. That play will be FedEx, ticker symbol FDX. Not only, guys, is this an industrial play, it does also pay a dividend as well. But more importantly, it's a type of stock, it's a type of company you need in your portfolio. So in terms of doing the responsible thing, I am going to recommend you guys grab this play with me. Those of you that want to replace your AT&T play, remember, and I'll put it up here again, we parted ways with AT&T because they cut the dividend, okay? And only time I will ever sell a stock, when I say that, I'm talking about stable stocks, a pillar. I'm talking about stuff like Apple, Microsoft, things of that nature, that high caliber, that high quality, okay? I'm not talking about speculative plays. As soon as we hit the home run with those, typically we take profit in those and move on. But plays like Apple, AT&T, you know what I'm saying, the likes of those, okay? I never sell those kind of stocks. So make sure that if you are listening to this, you are distinguishing what I'm saying when I make that statement, okay? Because sometimes I can just be talking and thinking. But again, you might think I don't sell any stocks, okay? Yes, when I hit the home run, typically I take profits and we sell those. But my stable portfolio, the things that keep me up and never going down to $0, those stocks typically don't get sold. AT&T cut the dividend. And so as a result, when a fundamental change is made, then I make the cut. Simple as that, okay? They cut the dividend from 52 cents down to probably 20 cents. Again, I only want the stock for the dividend, not for acquisitions, not for mergers or anything else. And when that changes, so do I. So FedEx is a stock, guys, again, ticker symbol FDX, that I want you to consider in terms of replacing AT&T. Now, again, you guys are the CEO of your portfolio. Feel free to buy whatever you want to in terms of replacing it. But those that rock with me, or just those that want to know a play that I'm considering, that I have bought, not even considering, okay, this is in here. Okay, matter of fact, look at my buying power as a result. Okay, my buying power was from 20,000, now it's down here, okay, because FedEx got some of that money, okay? Another stock that also was bought today that I want you guys to take advantage of is Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. The whole crypto market plunged today, which was an opportunity for me to go crazy. Unfortunately, all crypto sites was down, at least when I went to try to go and buy. And it's funny, people will rag on Robinhood for doing it, but don't make mention of it when all the other brokers do it. All of them do it, guys. Nobody is above anybody in this game, okay? Yes, Robinhood is the first mover. They the one started this whole wave, but all of them will crash, go out, try to play you, take your money, hold your money, not let plays go through. So Coinbase is no different. Coinbase was down, BlockFi was down. I saw Bitcoin at 35,000, would have bought $100,000 worth, but was unable to because I couldn't even get into the app. Stuff like that. But anyway, Coinbase sitting down here at 224. I bought more Coinbase today, and check this out. Look at my average cost, guys. It is under 250. This is how you dollar cost average your way into these plays. I'm never buying all at once. I buy a share here, I buy 5 shares there, I buy a share here on another dip. I wait for it to come down more. Now I'm hoping that I see $210, $200 range. That is where I expect the bottom to be for this particular play before it then settles and then eventually takes off later on in the year and into next year. Okay, so again, this is a longer term hold that I'm just establishing my position in on each and every dip. So just know when you see these plays fall, just know I'm jumping up and down. I'm going crazy. I'm fist pumping. I'm like, yes, go down further. Okay, I'm waiting for Apple to go to 120. I'm waiting for Boeing to come down to 195. Guys, I'm an investor. So I love down days, okay? I love a down day because this is the only time true investors can really go shopping and take advantage of buying opportunities, okay? One other highlight would be Square, ticker symbol SQ. Guys, all day, for those of you who don't have this, it's been sitting under 200, okay? I already had this at 200. I bought more in the 199 range and down to lower my average cost. So now your boy is under the 200 club in this one as well. Again, strategically use these days to your advantage to establish your long-term positions, okay? I'm just showing you a few strategic moves that your boy made on today. So when I win at the end, you just remember these days back in May, back during the correction, back doing all this madness. Like, man, Chris was making these moves and look at him now, okay? And that's the name of the game, guys. This is how you build true real wealth. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is rolling correction. Listen, man, I wanted to sprinkle this on you all for just a brief moment. What you have going on, or just in general, whether it's going on right now or not, you got inflation, you got this correction I told you will be hitting us. And guys, it doesn't come all at one time. It happens over time. It just creeps up on you like a bunch of paper cuts, just slits down 3% one day, down 4% the next day, up 2%. Corrections come on you like that. They jump on you. So it's important that you guys be mindful of what you're seeing when it happens, because you won't just know you're in a correction. You'll wake up kind of how you did for the 3-month correction we suffered in some of our plays, okay? It just kind of, you just on you. And if you're not mindful, you won't even know you're in it, if that makes sense, okay? A rolling correction, though, is nothing more than our plays. For one, high growth stocks, high momentum stocks, high multiple stocks being corrected. They ran up too high, too far, too fast. Boom, they correct it. Then it leaves ours and it rolls over into tech. I'm talking about the Apples, the Microsofts, those kind of plays. Those been flat for like 6 to 9 months now, not really moving, staying within a range of 117 to 125-ish, not moving. I'm thinking about Apple when I say that. Okay, then it's going to leave Apple. Then it's going to go to energy. Okay, then you're going to see Chevron and Exxon not be able to move or go down. Then it's going to roll its way over to financials. Then banks are going to be down, okay? And so it's called a rolling correction, guys. Never get caught up in one thing. Yes, typically they have time frames and periods in when and how long they last. However, all of that can be out the window in a given year based on other factors that's in place. In this particular year, we have inflation to deal with. We have bond yields, okay? We have a reopening economy. We're coming off of COVID. Please factor all of these things in as you do your research, as you do your due diligence, and as you think about the volatility of this stock market. Up next, guys, is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Jason Santana. The other day I found my oldest daughter watching one of your vids. She's 15. Been telling my kids to watch you for a while now. I am away from home, was there for a little vacation, military. I hope it sticks, Chris. I'll do my part to nurture the process. Got 2 more children I need the lessons to sink into. Trying to give them that head start I never had. Jason, this made my day, man. What a phenomenal comment, man. And I just appreciate you and everybody that's like you, that's turning your kids on, your family on to the stock market, and more importantly to somebody that's going to teach you the game the right way, teach you how to still weather the storm, make money in corrections, recessions, pullbacks, the whole 9. Nobody does it like us over here, and I appreciate you, Jay, for just having your kids watch something and listen to something that's going to edify them each and every day. Again, by the time they're our age, they will be way more ahead of where we are at now and where we were at when we were their age, okay? And this all starts with you, and that's why I often say, man, all the teaching, all the leadership, guys, it's what you emulate, it's what you put into your kids, it's what you and how you carry yourself within the home that's going to be the most impactful and impressionable thing on your kids, on your offsprings, on your nieces and nephews, okay? And so make sure you are mindful of how you live. Make sure you're mindful of the things that you do. Make sure that you're mindful of the things that you put in the atmosphere, that you watch on TV. Put these YouTube videos on, okay? Put a little money in their account and watch them see these plays go up and make a couple dollars here and there. It will be life-changing for what it will do to their minds, okay? Jason, I can't thank you enough. Keep that up. Keep being an example for your kids because they look up to you. You're their hero. And each of you parents out there, you got to remember, and I'm going to remind you that you are your kids' heroes as well. I don't care what they say or what they may act like, okay? Remember, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.